I am going to apply whole nails. Maybe I'll do in half of the nails. I know I'm doing it like I'll do half of it or 3/4. Here for 30 seconds. This one. Hi Nuna. And we are going to do all of chamfer foil first, and then we'll go back and we'll do a crystal placement. So the second nails, I am going to using chamfer foil, and I hold chamfer foil, and this will cure for 60 seconds. Super cute. I'm gonna do half of it only. Maybe that part. I like that. So it's fun about this is doesn't matter what part you want. This one's right there. I usually get it right in the middle first, and then spread on the both sides to make sure that it is all grip into my chamfer foil gels. Give it a good rubs. And it chamfer everything for me. Great. I love this flowers, it's just so cool. And then the other ones we are doing it's like 60 seconds. And we can also, I like that look of the flowers. Also give it good pressures. Hope everyone have a great Thursday. Can't believe it's a half of the week already. Time's gone so fast. I'm gonna give it a little bit pressures on it. We have a lot of questions we're asking for this, like so many different foils. We have so many different design chamfer foil, and I just want to share it's all different. Look at that. So this is for the white bottle, so you make sure you cure for 60 seconds. Hi Marissa. All right, so I just want to make sure I'm not missing anyone. Oh, thank you so much, Nuna. Okay, so this is 2, and then we're gonna do alternates again. We're going back into is I hold chamfer foil premiums, and then now we're gonna do on like diagonal. You can even do half too. Is I think it's half and half. It looks good as well. All right, so cure this one for 30 seconds. I touch it. And we are gonna do the other ones in chamfer foil. So I'm going alternate so then everybody get to see the effects from so I'm gonna do half of this. Half of the nails. Make sure you cover it good. Great. And this one you will cure for 60 seconds. The white bottle. This one might use that. And with this, we are going to think I get I'm using my tweezers and rub it. Just come up already.
That was good.
Come everything off. Look at that. I can't wait. Oh, last one. We'll do half of this nails. You can do vertical or horizontal. Also, you can do a pink background, doesn't matter, it's just I want to be in the theme today. If you feel missing this, like it right back up. Think I didn't rub it. Then just light it back up. I might didn't get it enough. Condense the eye hole.
Maybe you didn't have enough on it.
It's okay. Still look good. It looks absolutely good. It doesn't look like it's missing anything at all. It's just a spot that missing is the black part. So the nail looks good still. Okay, so now we're having fun. It's just like to remind you something, like, or remind myself something. Like, it's just so cool, quick, simple, easy. What you do and come back to work and get busy. And some of really cool designs that you can do with just a little accents of this. So now I'm gonna dress this one up nicely. So I am going to using our condensed glue gels.